Shit's crazy out here. Yeah. Lisa helping me out, showing the snow. She's strong girl. Yeah. Shit, so much snow. It's not even halfway done. Oh my God. It's crazy. Get it all the way to the floor, babe. Look at that. Look how strong she is. Man. Only a couple people had did their sidewalks. Yeah. That's what sucks about having a house. You have to shovel while the people that live in apartments are sitting home drinking their hot chocolate. Don't have to worry about this shit. Oh well. It's all good in the neighborhood. Oh shit. 2016. Gotta wear goggles. Oh shit, man. I fucking feel like I'm getting sick already. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.